Mazioriiheukwu, mazioriiheukwu.
What is keeping you so long to open the door for me? I've been knocking for the past 10 minutes. What is the problem? Why can't you not open the door for me? What is keeping you so long? What is vibrating under my pillow?
Nothing.
Something is vibrating here and you're telling me nothing.
No, nothing.
What? A naked man? So you've been cheating on me with another man?
Nope.
Oh shit! You've been cheating on me?
No.
Cheating on me?
All this money I've been giving you. Do you know
Which money? Which money? All this money. All this money.
All the money that I've been giving you.
Which money?
Do you know what?
Which money?
It's over.
You're giving me money, eh? Another man is giving you money. Chai! So my own woman is busy cheating on me with another man just because I don't have money. Chai! Me, Mazi, I must do anything humanly possible to make this money. Me, Mazi, I will do anything humanly possible to make this money. I'm going to go.
There is no mercy for more.